Good morning and welcome to another blog. Hope you are doing all fine. And today morning I will be telling you some facts about how to maintain your proper tire pressure for your car. For this I have chosen my Altroz, and here I will show you how to maintain proper tire pressure for your car. Why maintaining proper tire pressure is very important? Because the tire is the only contact patch between the road and your car, and I have seen lot of persons who are maintaining their car, polishing, cleaning everything, but the tires are utterly neglected, and so the tire fails prematurely and you don't get good ride quality, and the braking and fuel efficiency are compromised. So the first and foremost job is to maintain your tire pressure. Now tire pressure should be given when the tires are cold, and morning is the best time before you start your journey. The morning will be the best time to give your proper tire pressures. Now what happens, most of the persons, they don't own a tire pressure a portable tire pressure machine. They need to travel to a fuel station or a petrol bunk or a local tire wala for their tire pressure. Now by that time the car runs 2 to 3 kilometers and the tire already adds a couple of pounds and the tire already gets heated up, so you don't get the actual pressure required. And what happens when you add the tire pressure in a pump or a tire wala, by that time the tire has already gained some pressure and you are adding again some pressure, and when the tire returns to cold condition, the pressure reduces gradually. Either it gets overinflated or it gets underinflated. So the best practice is to give your tire pressure while the car is early in the morning. So I have already invested in a tire pressure, a portable tire pressure inflator, and I am using this particular inflator from 2014 and it is given very good service. So I will show you how to give tire pressure in a car when the car is in cold condition. So let's start. This is my tire pressure inflator, and this is a Michelin brand, and I procured this tire pressure from Snapdeal because at that time Amazon was not selling this type of tire pressure, and I procured in 2014 and it's working very fine. So without wasting any time, let's give the tire pressure to all the 4 tires. And why the tire pressure should be equal? So you have an even right quality. All the tires should have an equal tire pressure. Now since I drive most of the car alone, I maintain a tire pressure between maximum and minimum. But so if you travel in full load, you will try to keep the tire pressure to the maximum level. For this I will connect it to the 12-volt socket. Keep the car in accessories mode. Since Altroz is having larger tires, that is 16-inch tires, and it will take some time to inflate it because this particular tire pressure is an old one and it's a top-up type tire pressure inflator, so it takes a little bit of time. So in this case it's best to keep the car in idle position. So I will keep the car in idle running position, so it will save battery. So I have kept it in idle running position and remove the stem nozzle caps, and always reinstall the stem nozzle caps. Don't forget to install the stem nozzle caps after you complete it. This is the threaded type adapter, so it will show the current pressure the car is having. It is now 32.5, so it's okay. It is 32.5, so I will add some pressure. I will add 0.5 more since this is not the automatic type. So for 33 I will try to keep it at 33.5. So since now the car is running less, so 33.5 will be adequate, and I can easily replenish this tire pressure after 4 or 5 days. So it is 33.5. Like this I will add pressure to all my 4 tires. It is 32.5. Reinstall the stem cap. So it's 33.5. 32. Since this is not the automatic type, here you have to maintain your pressure seeing the dial, and I always prefer PSI. It supports both PSI and kg per centimeter square. So okay, it is also 33.5. So adding tire pressure to all your 4 tires is complete. So like this you can easily add tire pressure to your car with the help of a portable tire inflator, and I will always suggest you to invest in a good quality uh, tire inflator, otherwise you will have erroneous results. Like this, when the car is cold, I have completed refilling tire pressure to all my 4 tires. Like this you can easily add tire pressure to your car easily and confidently, and can maintain a perfect tire pressure in all your 4 tires, which is very important for maintaining your tires. Thank you very much, and if you don't subscribe to my channel till now, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.